Today, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Adobe Acrobat Reader. First, open Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. Once Acrobat Reader opens, go to the top menu. Click View. Now move your cursor over Display Theme. Here, you may see different options, such as light gray, dark gray, or system theme. To enable dark mode, choose dark gray. Adobe Acrobat Reader should now switch to a darker interface. This changes the app menus, toolbars, and background areas to a dark theme, which can be easier on your eyes, especially at night or in low light. If you want Acrobat Reader to follow your computer's theme automatically, choose System Theme instead. This means Acrobat Reader will use dark mode when your computer is set to dark mode, and light mode when your computer is set to light mode. If you are using Windows, you can also change your system theme by opening Settings, then Personalization, then Colors, and choosing Dark. If you are using Mac, open System Settings, then go to Appearance, and choose Dark. Now go back to Acrobat Reader and check if the theme follows your system setting. If the PDF page itself is still white, that is normal. Dark mode usually changes the Acrobat interface, but it may not always change the actual document colors. To make reading more comfortable, you can also try changing the page display or accessibility settings. Go to Edit, then Preferences on Windows. On Mac, go to Adobe Acrobat Reader, then Preferences, then check sections like Accessibility or Page Display for more viewing options. So, to keep it simple, open Adobe Acrobat Reader, click View, go to Display Theme, and choose Dark Gray or System Theme. And that's how you enable dark mode in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.